What's going on, guys? Welcome back for another episode of Too Many Toys Jake. Today is going to be a little bit a different one. We are actually going to do a wrecking yard walk. Now I'm in a wrecking yard that I've been going to since I was a kid. These guys have got a lot of cool stuff here, so I figured while I'm here picking up my car, I might as well make a video and show you guys some of the cool stuff that we got. Let's go take a look at what we got. First off, we'll just start with my car. This one's been sitting here for around 10 or 15 years, they said. This is my 1968 Delmont 88. You guys just seen this in a past video. We got this thing pulled out of the yard, running and driving. So that's this one. This is a 455 big block car if you haven't seen it. Optional big block car. So that's the first one. Very cool. We'll just skip past that one because you guys seen that one already. Let's move along here and see what else we got. Now this scrapyard has been here a long time. It is a very small scrapyard. It's not a very big one, but these guys have been here and they are awesome. We have this awesome, I don't know what year, maybe late 50s 60s army truck. This is a 6x6. This is a flat deck. It is complete. It looks, the interior, I don't want to open the door, but you guys can take a look. It is absolutely rough. I mean, this thing has probably been here forever. I'm gonna guess 20-30 years. There's a couple of these on the property, which is really cool. This one's got a big huge bumper on the front. It used to be a, looks like a Canadian military truck, which is really cool. Your stack there. It would have had. What's that? So that's that one there. Sorry guys, the gentleman was just asking where he wants to, or when he wants me to bring that car down. I still got to find a place to put it. We'll figure it out. We have this. I haven't even seen this one. This one is super cool. We got an old school Cadillac Eldorado HT 4100 digital fuel injection. I've never seen that before. If you guys have seen that, let me know. It is purple. I don't know if that's a factory color or if it's been painted, and it has got a stainless steel roof with a white interior. I have never seen one of these guys. Have you guys seen one of these? I don't know if it's the door jambs are painted purple. It's got white vinyl, stainless steel roof. I've never seen that before, so this is cool. I wonder if this is a factory car. This is a Cadillac. I have no idea, but it is super duper cool. This thing's also been here a long time. I know this one with the digital fuel injection, it's probably going to be extremely hard to get running. Probably why it's sitting here. It's probably got some sort of problem with it, but that is super cool. You do not see these anymore. Actually, I don't think I've ever seen one with the roof like that. That's crazy. We're gonna have to get a picture of that and do some research. But on to the next. Got another military truck here, which is really cool. Where is this one? Late 50s, something like that? 57. 1957. Looks to be a boom truck, crane truck. That's really cool. Manual. Look at all the buttons for these. Apparently they make it nice and easy to run these things, but I've never ridden one, I've never driven one, never started one, but it is super cool. You don't see these very often. What else do we got here? Got an old GMC cab over, extended cab. That's cool. GMC 366. Looks to be an old Canadian truck company. It's got a box on the back of it. This thing hasn't been on the road since 96, the last time. Man, this truck is cool. Just look at the box. That thing would be so much fun. Oh, this might have been a fire truck. It's got a fire helmet and everything in it. That's pretty neat. That's probably what it was. It's probably an old fire truck or something they converted into a dump truck, but that is really cool. So then we got just beside where we pulled out my Delta. This is where we pulled it out. If you guys haven't seen the video, make sure to go check it out. The whole half of the car was underneath there, and you can see it made itself a little fort. But this is one of the old record trucks for this wrecking yard. It is, I'm gonna guess, a mid-80s GMC 3500. I opened up the hood to try and grab some plug wires. It's got a small block in it, complete. This one might run, and I bet you it would with a little bit of work. Take a look on the inside. It's actually pretty clean. I mean, it does have some weight reduction. The whole floor is missing there. Wow, never seen that bad. Looks to be a 4-speed truck. Got some clean door panels and stuff. Pretty cool truck. Pretty neat. So this one's one of my favorites. I'm not sure what year this is. I'm gonna guess this is a mid 60s. I'm gonna guess 65, 66-ish because of the lights on the hood. This is an old bus that was actually converted into a motorhome. So this is cool. This thing has been everywhere, guys. This thing has been out of the country. It has been down to the States. They used to drive this thing everywhere. This thing was built in, I think, the mid 70s, the inside. They literally drove this thing in everywhere and absolutely loved it. It is very rough though, very rough. You can see everything is just rotted. This would be an awesome project, guys. It'd be an awesome restoration, but I just don't know what you do with it. The body on it's so shot, like you can see back there that the metal is just completely coming apart. The wheels are sunk into the ground. But man, what a cool old bus. You just don't see these anymore. This would be an awesome restoration project. See if you can just look in there. As you can see, it's kind of 70s because, like I said, they built it in the 70s, but it's complete and it's actually very nice in there. Very nice, from what I can see anyways. But it is rough. As you can see, there is just holes everywhere along this thing. It's an old Bluebird. Very cool bus. Let me know if you guys would like to see a wheel start of this thing. I don't think it'll happen, but very cool. We've got an old International boom truck here. Another boom truck. Look at that bumper on this thing. It is massive. These guys like their trucks. We got another Army truck. This one looks to be a tanker truck, obviously, because it's got the big tank on the back. This one looks to be parted out, not complete, but it is very cool. You don't see these very much. Oh, it's even got a motor in it still. Looks to be a straight 6 of some sort. Straight 6 of some sort. Very neat. Oh, let's take a look on the inside in this one. Yeah, this one's missing everything, guys. So this is probably just a parts truck for one of the other ones. I know these things have been sitting here for a long time. So very cool, very cool. Now let's go check out a couple other ones I think you guys will like. These two I found when I was just going through the yard looking for stuff, you know, just seeing what they got. Over here we have a couple, and yes, I said a couple, 2. Not too sure what year they are. If you guys would know, you know, put the bleep down in the comments there. But we have 2 BMW 2002s. That's right. I know you guys don't see these things very often. The blue one is very rough. It looks like it is a parts car for that one. That one looks like it has some damage on the wheel there, but very cool. This is a forced view car. It has all kinds of parts in it. I would love to get this one running, but unfortunately the hood has been off of it, and I guarantee you the hood's been off of it for a very long time. So that engine is probably just completely seized, and you'll never ever get that to turn over. As you can see, that car is full of vines and stuff like that. These are all thorn bushes, unfortunately. So I gotta walk through this for you guys. Hope you guys are enjoying it. It's super cool. Now here, I don't even know what this is. This seems to be a 1940s, maybe a 50s two-door of some sort. Very cool. I would love to take this one home. I don't have the room. I need more room, guys, because I just take everything home. Unfortunately, it's just a body. There's nothing in it. But it looks like that this one was a restoration project for somebody, and they just gave up on it and then called the scrapyard. As you can see, it looks like they picked it up with a forklift. They might have just ruined the top. Let's see if we can get around and take a look at the other side, because this one's actually pretty cool. Oh, this one's got wheels and everything. Okay, so this might be like a Chevy Fleetline or something like that, guys. You can tell by the way it dips down on the back here. Might be an old Chevy Fleetline or something like that. Very cool. I'm gonna say, like I said, the 40s, definitely the 40s. maybe late 40s, early 50s. Oh, you know what? We can take a better look at this BMW now. So here's the other 2002 two-door. This thing is rough, but doesn't look as rough as the other one. But I'm more interested in this car. This is cool. If you guys know what this one is, leave me a comment down below. I'd love to know. I was gonna say I'd love to take this one home, but I just seen the floors in it, and this car is shot as well. So, oh, it's even got the cluster in it. That's cool. This car would make a sweet pro street car or something like that, where you just cut out the whole floor, use the outer body, just make a race car or something out of it. See this laying on the ground. That is an old school leaf spring, and it looks like it's been there for a long time. That's about it. There's one more truck down on the end that I stole the spark plug wires off of. It is a, we'll say late 60s, mid to late 60s Chevy, 5,000, 6,000, something like that. I don't know. A big truck way down there, way down there. That one's not really worth going to see. There's not too much there. And then the rest of this stuff is just newer stuff. If you guys need parts or whatever, you just come here and take parts, because it is a scrapyard. But I just figured I'd show you all the older cool stuff. They do have a lot of cool stuff, a lot of big stuff on here. I thought I'd take you guys for a tour. It's really cool. I am gonna ask about that Caddy, do some research on that Caddy, because I've never seen one in a purple with a stainless steel top. That's actually really cool. So we're gonna do some research on that one, and maybe we'll make an offer. So he said, the gentleman says it needs a fuel pump. I'm sure finding a fuel pump, getting running might be hell, but a purple Cadillac with a stainless steel roof, I've never seen that before, ever. Really cool. Anyways, guys, I just wanted to say thank you very much for watching this short little video. I just figured I'd do a walk around, show you guys some cool stuff. There is a lot of newer stuff in here, but there is some cool old gems hidden out, as you guys seen. Make sure that when you're going to your scrap yards and your junkyards, to look around and see if you can find any cool stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching this episode of Too Many Toys Jake. If you guys like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you guys want me to do more junkyard crawl arounds or walk arounds, let me know. I know of some cool ones with thousands of old cars that we could get to. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, what's keeping you? You'll see more cool videos like this and more cool cars on this channel. We are a Canadian, or I am a Canadian based channel, so this is all in Canada. I know in the States there's lots of stuff that you come across like this, but in Canada you don't find this kind of stuff that much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any comments or know anything about those cars, the big trucks, the Cadillac, etc., leave me a comment. It'd be awesome to know. Have a great day. See you on another episode of Too Many Toys Jake.